What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So as I said here, I did a video with the Z Fold 4. I did probably 3 or 4 videos on this phone so far. And I'm working on giving you like that 30-day follow. I think I've had it for 30 days. I'm not sure. I'm working on giving you a little bit of a follow-up video because I've done 2 videos on it where I go kind of deep on it. But this video is about the cameras once again. But this time, 50 megapixel photos. So normally, when a person picks up their device, they don't switch it automatically to the highest resolution pictures that they could get. People just don't do this by default, folks. You could say that you do. You're probably not a regular consumer purchasing phones like this. So, but to do that, you just go up into the resolution area on photos. You'll see it sitting right in there, 50 megapixel shots. Now, another reason why a person might not want to do this is because it's going to put it in a 3x4 or 4x3, the square basically. So I'll say this before this video gets going. If you have a Z Fold 4, or Z Fold 3, 2, or 1, or just any kind of folding device, you're going to love the aspect ratio of this video because it's all done in 6x5. So this is incredible footage that comes from these cameras. I like that people talked down on them, comparing them to the S22 Ultra, but in the blind camera test, people chose this phone. That's the good thing about blind camera tests. As the OP, I have no reason to lie to you, but I've done plenty of blind camera tests and everybody says that they like something. But then when the blind camera test comes around, they don't even pick it. Case in point, I put up 3 photos right now on my social media and I put, which one do you know your iPhone? Everybody is placing the camera to the right as the 14 Pro Max, when in fact that's the 14 Plus, the lowest price of them all. I'll explain that in another video. It just goes to show that people don't really know what they want. They just read specs and stuff like that. But me, I'm bringing it to you like this. This is a Z Fold 4's cameras. I went for a walk, a high-paced walk. I did some steady shots with it. I just put it out there to where you could just see it. No special software used. Only thing I did was use Power Director on this phone, put everything together, and then you're watching it now. I didn't use my Mac. This is all done from the phone, just like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this footage. I'm telling you though, don't sleep on this device. This is one of the best devices that I own. So and the Fold is pretty much every Fold that I've had. Well, not every Fold. The 2 and the 3 and the 4 were the ones that really impressed me. And I just feel like you, as a creator, this could be the ultimate device for you, man. I know that they sell the Note line or the S22 Ultra line as the creator device, but I'm telling you, this phone is crazy. It is pricey. I'm not sleeping on the price. And I'm not going to get on here and promote that you should go out and finance it or whatever. Don't do what I do. Do what I say. So if you don't need to spend this kind of money and you want good cameras, bottom line, S22 got great cameras. They on point. But this camera, these cameras right here, ultimate set of cameras for a folding device. And I know there's other folding devices in other markets. You gotta read the title. Like, oh, Jay, what about the blah, blah, blah? I'm talking about right here in the U.S. I can go into a carrier if I wanted to, order direct from Samsung, have it shipped to my door next day, go into Best Buy, go in wherever, Amazon. I can buy this device pretty much anywhere, but a lot of these other folding phones, you cannot. So I'm speaking to the U.S. market right now. This is already the top folding device because there's no competition over here. But when it comes to people saying the cameras aren't good, push the 50 megapixel button on your phone and start snapping. You'll be impressed. So watch this video and we'll talk about it at the end. This is Samsung's camera and it's beautiful. Super windy out. Well, what did you think about that? What did you think? I think that the Z Fold 4's cameras are more than enough, even for the so-called pro person out there. This thing has director's mode, portrait video, pro cameras, pro video, and here I am shooting with just a regular shot for you. So I think I try to show people that, yes, you can say the device isn't worth it, but for me, for $2,000, it is overpriced. Okay, let's be clear. I'm not co-signing for a $2,000 device. Don't ever think that. I'm just telling you that's what this device costs, and this is the best expensive device that I own. This retails for about $2,000, and the model, the way I have it set up, and with the 512, yeah, I think it's about just under $2,000 or so. But I'm not co-signing and saying, oh, I want to keep paying these higher prices. That's not what I'm doing. I'm telling you though, in my humble experience of owning a ton of devices, this is the best expensive device I use. This thing is off the charts, man. I mean, you look at the way I put this video together on the device. This is a creator's dream. So I'm kind of surprised that a lot of people gravitate more towards the iPhone for creation. I think it's just the cameras are really good, and you can use LumaFusion, you can use iMovie, you can use all these different things. But I'm telling you, man, this is the cover display is boss. I mean, it's crazy. There's so much going on here. And being able to edit on the bigger canvas is beast mode, folks. So I'm not trying to convince you to buy the Z Fold 4. All I'm saying is this is my best expensive device. And I'm telling you this because I have phones that cost close to this or about the same, and they don't level up like this. So it's your man Jay, the Z Fold 4. If you have a Z Fold device, you probably love the aspect ratio on this video, if I can get it to code right. But nonetheless, I think this is a win. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.